Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you if you're getting error E4 with your Black & Decker portable washing machine. So if you are getting error or fault code E4 with your Black & Decker washing machine, it may also be accompanied by some shaking or rattling of the machine, because the E4 fault code means that the washer has run out of balance 3 times. So after it runs out of balance 3 times, it will throw up the error E4, and what you're going to need to do to fix that is you're going to need to open it and redistribute the load. So make sure that you get in there and get your clothes and see if they're not all stacked onto one side of the drum, and spread them out so the weight is evenly distributed around the circumference of the drum. And then it should get things spinning smoothly, which should also remove fault code E4. So I hope this video helped you solve the problem, and thanks for watching and have a great day.